Today I'm going to be changing the Serpentine Belt, or the accessory alternator belt, on this 1997 Toyota Camry. This is the 5S-FE engine. This belt is original Toyota belt, and it has been on here for the life of the car. The car is not driven that much, still has under 100,000 miles on it, but the belt is completely worn out. You can't see it here, I'll show it to you later, but there's a lot of cracking on this belt, so probably wasn't going to last too many more miles, and it's time to be changed. So let me get some light here. First thing I'm going to do is to remove negative cable from the battery. Alright, so here's the belt configuration. Goes around the alternator pulley here, goes down around the crankshaft pulley, and also is shared with the air conditioner condenser pulley there. So we're going to check the belt here and see how tight it is. Kind of a reminder of how we will put the new one on. Checking it at the middle point here. Guessing that's close to about 1/4 of an inch. Alright, now let's go ahead and loosen the pivot bolt. You can see the wrench is already on. Next we have a pinch bolt right here. So we should be able to turn this counterclockwise to loosen the belt. While we're doing this, the belt should start getting looser. See how long, see we've got a lot of length here on this bolt. We may have to do this quite a bit. In the meantime, we may have to try to move this alternator by hand, so it looks like it's kind of stuck. I'm going to go back and I'm going to loosen the pivot bolt a little more. I know the pinch bolt is fine, but so we can get a little more movement. May grab a little mallet, tap like right here on the alternator, or maybe just tap on the bolt itself. I believe we need to push that down a little bit. I'll turn the adjustment bolt counterclockwise, and it's just spinning now. The belt is still on there pretty tight, so I'm going to have to resort to tapping the alternator itself. Just want to kind of give it a couple of taps with this piece of wood here and a hammer on the end of the wood. It's just kind of hitting it down. I may have to do this with two hands because I don't think I can hold this. Yeah, I need to use two hands. I'll get right back, but that's the idea. Okay, now I'm going to need my wrench again. I can't turn that by hand. And I'm just going to keep doing what you've seen here. Continuing to... Now I can do it by hand. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, now pretty sure I can get the belt off here. Let me get some light on this. Alright, belt should be able to come off here. don't know how much room I've got to take it off. And down below, looks like it's kind of disintegrating right before my eyes here. Okay. Okay, there's some really bad places on this belt. Yeah, so there's some really bad places. You can see that right there. Look at that. Look at that. That's probably the worst belt in the world right there. That's the number. Okay, let's put the other one back on. The new belt is a Gates. I've kind of sized them up here. This should work. Okay, I just dropped the belt down below the pulleys and just pulled it over the crankshaft pulley and the air conditioner here. These are ribs that you want to line up with the pulleys. So I'm trying to make sure that those are good. And if you wanted to take this reservoir off, it would probably be easier to do this job. It's just one bolt here. I think I may be able to manage since I'm already where I'm at now. Okay, I'm just going to push onto the alternator pulley here. Okay, we should be good. I'm going to eyeball that down there. That looks like it's okay. Try to turn it by hand in just a second here. That one's looking good. Okay, I think we're on now. All right, all I have to do is just turn this clockwise now until the belt starts tightening. May want to give it a little extra start here. I'm not trying to pull the alternator up. Kind of a head start. Grab the wrench. Right. So I've got the tightness the way I want it. So if you're wondering how to do that, the belt should deflect 1/4 of an inch. If the distance from the pulley center to the pulley center is between 7 to 11 inches, the belt should deflect 1/2 inch if the distance from the pulley center to the pulley center is between 12 to 16 inches. So now that I have got mine where I want it, as tight as I think it should be, I'm going to go ahead and tighten my pinch bolt here, lock in the adjustment. And lastly, go back to the 14 millimeter here on the pivot bolt. snug that up. That should be it. We'll start it up and see how it runs. I think we're going to be okay. So that does it. Serpentine belt, alternator accessory belt, whatever you want to call it, for 1997 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day and take care.